How to add your Instagram to your profile on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your Instagram to your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, go to your profile by click on me at the bottom and you're gonna find edit. Click on it. Here you have pending accounts. Click on Instagram. Now you're gonna find your Instagram link. Once you find it, you're gonna add your Instagram to your profile information so people or users will find you here on your Instagram. Once you are done, you're gonna find this information on your profile. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.